Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nalaye Neem Shab, Midnight Tears, a collection of 21 supplications by Khurram Murad, translated from Urdu by Bint Noor Muhammad and Bint Hanif, revised by Abu Sulaiman, Leicester, England, 2014, published by Manshurat, Lahore, 2015, recited by Dr. Munawwar Ahmad Anis. My God, your slave is at your threshold, your beggar is at your door. Your poor and humble servant is at your gate. Your supplicant is at your threshold. Your weak and frail servant is at your door. Your guest is at your gate, O Lord of the worlds. O God, you say, and what you say is truth. Call on me, and I will answer you. O God, this is a supplication, and you have promised to answer it. Have mercy on me, my master, my master. You are all forgiving, and I am a sinner. Who can show mercy to a sinner except the all forgiving? My master, my master. You are the owner, and I am your slave. Who can show mercy to a slave except its owner? My master, my master. You are my Lord, and I am your servant. Who can show mercy to a servant except its master? My master, my master. You are my provider, and you sustain me. Who can show mercy to the needy except the provider? My master, my master. You are most generous, and I am niggardly. Who can show mercy to a miser except the most generous? My master, my master. You are almighty, and I am despicable. Who can show mercy to the despised except the Almighty? My master, my master. You are strong, and I am weak. Who can show mercy to the weak except the strong? My master, my master. You are much forgiving, and I am a sinner. Who can show mercy to a sinner except the much forgiving? O God, you hear what I say, and you see my circumstance. You know what I hide and what I reveal. Nothing that I do is hidden from you. I am afflicted, needy, pleading, seeking refuge, scared and filled with anxiety. I affirm and acknowledge my sins. I ask as a helpless beggar, and I call upon you as a trembling and fearful sinner. I call upon you with my neck bowed down before you, with tears flowing before you, whose body and soul lie before you, who lies prostrate before you in humility. O God, do not leave me in want after I ask of you. Be kind and merciful in my favor. O you who is best of those who are asked. O you who is best of those who are asked. O you who is best of those who give. My Lord, in my disgrace, I ask of you by your honor that you do not leave me without your mercy. In my weaknesses, I beseech you through your power. In my helplessness before you, I call on you. This is my lying, erring forehead before you. You have countless slaves apart from me, but I have no master except you, and I have no refuge but with you. O God, your forgiveness is more expansive than my sins. I place my hopes in your mercy and not in my deeds. O God, you are my Lord, and there is no God except you. You created, and I am your servant, and I will hold to my pledges and promises to you as much as I can. I seek refuge in you from the evil that I do. I acknowledge your blessings upon me, and I recognize my sins. So forgive me, for surely none can forgive sins but you. O God, I seek protection in your pleasure from your displeasure, and in your forgiveness from your wrath. I seek safety with you from you, and I cannot fully praise you, for you are as you have praised yourself. For you are as you have praised yourself. Lord, how many blessings have you given to me? Yet my thankfulness to you has been paltry. And how much did you test me? Yet I lacked patience. And he whose blessings I did not count did not deprive me. And he whose tribulations I did not bear patiently did not forsake me. And he who saw me sinning did not disgrace me. O God, I am weak, so remove my weakness with your power if it pleases you. Take me towards what is goodly by my forelock, and make Islam the pinnacle of my pleasure. I am contemptible, so grant me honor, and I am needy, so provide for me. O God, you hold our hearts, forelocks, and limbs in your hand, and you did not make us owners of any part. So, as you ordained this for us, be our helper and guide us to the right way. O most merciful, my heart lies between your two generous fingers, so turn it how you wish. Make my heart steadfast upon your religion, and become my heart in remembering you. And upon my heart send down tranquility. Bind me to piety, and make me more deserving and qualified for it. O God, I ask you for a self at peace, that has certitude in you, that believes in meeting you, that is content with your decree, that is satisfied with your gift. O God, grant piety to myself and purify it, for you are the best purifier, and you are its helper and master. O God, make your love dearer to me than anything else, and fear of you more frightening to me than everything else. Through my longing to meet you, sever me from my worldly needs. If you fix the gaze of worldly people upon this life, then keep me attentive upon your worship. O God, make me such that I love you wholeheartedly, and direct all my efforts to pleasing you. O God, place such fear in my heart for you, as if I was seeing you on the day of meeting, and most happy in consciousness of you. And do not leave me wretched in disobedience of you. My Lord, make me such that I remember you abundantly, thank you profusely, fear you deeply, obey you fully, submit to you truly, bow to you frequently, and with sighing breath return to you always. O God, I beseech you that I am always content with your decree, and have alleviation in the life after death, and the joy of seeing your noble countenance, and remaining eager to meet you. O God, take my hand in straitened moments, and unveil for me the facets of truth, and reconcile me to what you love and what pleases you. O God, I beg you by the right of those who call on you, and by the right of this passage to you, I neither come out in arrogance nor insolence, neither to show off nor for the sake of reputation, but I come out in fear of your wrath, to seek a means to find your pleasure. I beg you to save me from the fire and to forgive me my sins. Truly, no one can forgive sins beside you.